Hi there! Sa araw na ito, ang i-discuss ko are the main differences between annulment of marriage and legal separation here in the Philippines. And I will be discussing three main differences, although there are several differences between the two. First, as to the grounds. Pag sinabi pong grounds for annulment of marriage, these grounds should exist prior to or at the time of the celebration of the marriage. At kung mapapansin po ninyo, ang mga grounds po na ito has a direct connection with the marriage itself. With respect naman po sa grounds for legal separation, these grounds should exist during the marriage itself. At kung mapapansin po ninyo, yung 10 grounds po ng legal separation here in the Philippines has no connection with respect to the validity of the marriage. Second po, as to the cooling off period. Ano po ba muna itong cooling off period? Ito po ay yung period of time na ibinibigay ng batas kung saan after na file po yung case, ay bibigyan ng pagkakataon ang mag-asawa for a certain period of time na makapag-ayos at eventually, hopefully, na i-atras na po yung kaso. So pagdating po sa annulment of marriage, there is no cooling off period. So once ma-file po yung petition for the annulment of marriage, tuloy-tuloy na po yung proceedings ng case sa court. But pagdating naman po sa legal separation, from the time po na na-file yung petition for legal separation, ang batas po natin, yung Family Code, ay nagbibigay po ng 6 months from the time of the filing within which na hindi po muna aarangkada yung kaso ng legal separation. At yung 6 months na yon ay gagamitin ng mag-asawa upang tignan nila kung pwede pa nilang ayusin yung kanilang pinag-aawayan. So, again, there is no cooling off period sa annulment of marriage and there is a 6-month cooling off period sa legal separation. Pangatlo, effects once na nag-grant na po yung petition. So for annulment of marriage, yung effect po nito is that as if you were never married. As if hindi po nagpakasal yung mag-asawa. There is no record of marriage and there is no marriage to speak of. Pagdating naman po sa legal separation, there are several legal effects. Number 1, first effect po is that yung mag-asawa po ay pinapayagan na pong tumirang magkahiwalay, but take note, they are still married to each other. Second effect po is that yung properties po ng mag-asawa will be forfeited in favor of their common children or the innocent spouse kung wala po silang common children. And number 3, in case po of death of the innocent spouse, the guilty spouse can no longer inherit from the innocent spouse through intestate succession. So if you have any more questions about the differences between annulment of marriage and legal separation here in the Philippines, consult your trusted lawyer.